The day after Thanksgiving. Reagan doesn't want to leave them alone. She's 18 months and Addie's 4 years. They're watching a movie.
Uh-oh. She takes up the whole room.
Uh-oh. Reagan saw the camera. And she's gone because she wants... maybe. Uh-oh.
Let's go.
Cheese!
So long as yours,
Okay.
always be a match.
Everybody say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Addie, say Happy Thanksgiving. Reagan, say Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving?
Me and Addie are set. She's watching a movie.
Yeah. You guys are both sick with the croup. So they're watching The Swan Princess with Derek and Odette. And Daddy is Derek and Addie is Odette. Huh. Okay. Alright. Say bye, Reagan. Bye. Bye. We love you. I love you. Bye, Reggie.
It's over.